Hello darlings and welcome to My Beauty. Today we're doing 3 different sauces that I like to make. They're pretty much versatile. You can put them on anything. And let's get started with the first one. The first one's like an avocado sauce. I don't really know what to call it. I ain't got no names for these sauces, but anyway. You're gonna saute some garlic and ginger with some butter. And don't burn it. The stuff burns really quick. So anyway, we're gonna take that mixture and put it in a little blender, any little handy dandy blender you got around your house. Next, we're going to take some mayo. I got Duke's mayo. Yeah, that's what I like to use. But anyway, we're going to take some water, add that in. The water's going to depend on what kind of consistency that you want. Next, add in some salt and pepper. And next, add in a half an avocado, a fourth of avocado. I ain't got no measurements anyway. We're going to add in some rice vinegar. This is optional, you guys. It just gives it a little bit of tang. And yep, that's our first sauce. All right. Next, we have like this little... I guess it's like an Indian tasting sauce, I don't know. Anyway, saute some butter, and here's a red chili that I cut in half. And we're gonna take some diced up onion and saute that all together. Next, we're gonna remove the half of that red chili, or both halves, you know what I mean. But anyway, add in some garlic paste and break that all down in your butter and your onion mixture. Next, we're gonna add in some curry powder, a little bit of turmeric, some cumin. And we're just gonna burn, I like to say burn the spices. Yeah. Anyway, next we're gonna add in some chicken broth, some heavy cream, and some Rotel, or you can use tomato sauce if you don't have Rotel handy. And we're gonna add in some salt and pepper. And you're just gonna mix this all up until it starts to boil and becomes a little thick. Yep, like that, she's looking a little thick. Anyway, next, we are going to go to my creamy sauce I like to make. Saute you some butter as usual, adding you some milk. Got the heat a little bit too high, but anyway. Add in some milk, add you some heavy cream, and use this Italian herb grinder by McCormick. It has to be that McCormick one. It's the bomb, you guys. Anyway, put you some of that in there, and with some salt and pepper. Yum. And just stir that all up and let that thicken up. Yeah, she's looking a little thick. Look at her. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love you. Mwah.